guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I decided to do something a little bit different. I got this tuned in Tokyo. I've gotten other clothing from other companies that I have not posted videos of because I was just too lazy or too busy to do the video of it, and I just wanted to wear the clothing, other sweatshirts or whatever. So Tuned in Tokyo is another company. I'm not sure where they're out of, but I got two of their different crates, but obviously I'm kind of annoyed because it didn't come in a crate, it came in this big bag. But I got two different packages that come, they're mystery packages that come with shirts and other stuff. One's like their big mystery package. I forget the prices, I'll list them below and what the name of them are. And then in the video description, I'll give you a link to their actual website. But without further ado, it comes with a bunch of stuff. The first thing is the big mystery comes with a backpack, which you actually do get to select which backpack you want. There's I think like 3 or 4 different options. I don't exactly remember. It's been a while. But not that I really need more backpacks, but it has the Bride with the Sparko straps because I wanted the red to match my car. But that's the different thing. I actually eventually plan on getting Recaro seats. I think I said that right. I'm gonna sit this here, so I'm just gonna kind of stack stuff to the side. So so it comes with a poster apparently, which I don't know if I want to pull that out of there. So it comes with a poster, which I'm not gonna pull out. I'm sorry, you'll just have to look elsewhere. But I know I'm not gonna be able to get that back in, and I gotta drive the Z back to the house. Maybe I'll show it at the end. But the first thing, it's frustrating, is it's all just thrown in here. So I don't actually know what mystery crate is for, like what mystery is what. This is the Mega Mystery Pack is the name of the one. And then I don't know what the other one is, the Paul Mystery Pack. So I got both the Mega Mystery Pack and the Paul Racing Pack. Doesn't have the price on here, so I can't tell you. I'd have to look at the receipt. So it comes with "Thank you for supporting us" sticker. First shirt, obviously they're just thrown in here, so I don't know what's from what. Street Legend. So it has a turbo keychain, which I think I already have one of these from the tuner crate or tuner cult or one of those. But like I said, this is Tuned in Tokyo. This is a really nice Street Legend sweatshirt. Then we've got the obviously this one is Paul Walker, which Brian O'Connor. Nice Brian O'Connor shirt. The next one we have is, what is this? Pop the Hood, Tuned in Tokyo. Ooh, I like that. It's convertible too. Love me some convertibles. So there you go. I know I have so many shirts. So apparently they're all black. Like every single one of these shirts so far is black. I mean, I'm not offensive to black or anything, but here's your Godzilla, Tuned in Tokyo. Godzilla GTR. Another black shirt. I mean, they're all black. Why? It's supposed to be a mystery, but like, why all black? Remember the Buster? I definitely like that. Did they like just try to get rid of all their black shirts or what? Like now I have like the black shirt collection. Like, hey, I mean, it is what it is. Like literally I'm looking in this bag and it's all black shirts. Like, why all black shirts? Like I've seen other people's unboxings and they're different colors, white and like whatever, but like this is like, let's print everything on black shirts. Like, oh, I like that. You got Darth Vader, but his breather is a turbo. That's cool. It's definitely cool. But I'm gonna be doing a Whipple supercharger on my car. Yeah, my Z behind me. Holy crap, there's so many shirts in here. This is just ridiculous. But again, they're all black. Like, I don't get it. Maybe I'll just give some of these away to some friends. Oh, nice. I like that. The American flag, and then it has, I'm not sure the outline of that car. but there you go. That's really cool. The next one, holy crap, they're just slammed in here. Oh, nice. Okay, I like this one. I definitely like that one. Burnout, and it's got the donut, an actual donut doing a burnout. That's really freaking cool. I like the designs, that's why I decided to go with them, but again, it's just like a bag of black shirts. Like, how many black shirts does someone need? Yeah, nice. Yeah, blow me with a turbo. That's awesome. And it's a snail turbo. And then you've got, I know I'm trying to just show these really quickly. Tuned in Tokyo, Dream Garage. They're all just t-shirts, black t-shirts. They're high quality shirts. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's just how many black t-shirts does one person need? Apparently not enough. Tuned in Tokyo, the 350Z. I think this is the 350Z that they were doing a giveaway for, but I'm not positive. But they are, I know they are giving away a 350Z, or just gave away a 350Z. I'm not sure. I don't think I was the winner. Obviously, if it already went, I don't know. The next thing is Data Car Guy. We break parts, not hearts. We don't break turbos apparently, but that doesn't make sense because yeah, people do break turbos. But it's supposed to be a hard turbo. And then the final shirt, and then it has another support. The final shirt is Boosted Facts. Serving size 15 pounds, serving per race 1, horsepower 500, total fuel, blah, 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 blah. Usage per race values are based on average observed at the track. Your usage per race may vary depending on your supporting mods. So that's cool. So that is literally everything that we have in here, and then another sticker. So that's everything. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have tons of them. I think I'm at like 200 and something videos posted. Share with your friends if you like what I have, and comment below. Can't wait to get the Z. It's dirty, obviously, but catch you later.